Check out this 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day, and memory settings are one of many features. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.